Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugene and this is another tutorial. We'll create a game console in Plasticity 3D. The reference link is in the description. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. And let's get started. I'm gonna hide reference images. I'm using Pure, by the way. Let's create a new project by pressing Ctrl N. And we'll remove this cube as usual. We are starting from the front view. Let's move the sidebar to the right side. You may leave it as it is. We need a corner rectangle tool. Snap to the middle, press C to center it, then tap 5, tap 7, enter to confirm. Perfect. We need rounded corners. Press B to make them. Yes, we confirm by clicking the right button on our mouse. Go to face mode or press 3. Let's extrude our rectangle. Something like that. Beautiful. Hide our curve. Let's see what we got. Okay. Go to the front view, select the rectangle tool, snap to the middle, press C to center it, tap 4.8. Tab again 3.1, right click to confirm. Let's move it up by pressing G, place somewhere here, press B to make rounded corners, right click to confirm, move it down a little bit. Now we're gonna imprint it. In edge mode, press Shift I. Click our mesh, OK to confirm, hide our rectangle. In face mode, extrude it like this. Go to face mode and extrude it like this. Yeah, maybe not so deep. Adjust it a little bit. Go to edge mode, select one of the edges and give a nice fillet. Perfect. In edge mode, select one of the edges by holding Alt and clicking. Shift D to duplicate it. Go to face mode and extrude it like that. Right click to confirm. Go to edge mode and give a nice fillet. Go to face mode and place it back. Let's make our screen visible. Something like that. Perfect. Let's create bezels on the screen. Go to edge mode and select one of the inner edges by holding Alt and clicking. Shift D to duplicate it. Press O to offset it. Something like that. Or press OK to confirm. Select our inner edge, press C to cut, click our screen, OK to confirm, and let's hide our curves. Let's select our bezels in solid mode and rename them. Go to solid mode, select and rename by double clicking the name, and let's rename our screen. Screen, enter to confirm. Perfect. Let's see what we got. I love the design. The screen looks awesome too. You may give separate materials while texturing in Blender or Cinema 4D. Perfect. Go to edge mode and give a chamfer here. Then select both edges and apply nice fillets. Perfect. And I love the result. Now we're going to create our joysticks, buttons and bolts, but we're gonna do it on one side and mirror it in the future. Go to the front view, select a circle and snap it here. Make it this size, move it by pressing G, place it here. Okay. In edge mode, select our circle, Shift I to imprint it, click our mesh, and OK to confirm, hide our circle. Go to face mode and extrude it, not too deep. Go to edge mode and give a fillet. Select inner circle by holding Alt and clicking, Shift D to duplicate it. In face mode, extrude it like that. Select our curve, move it by the y-axis, and make it smaller by pressing SS. Make it smaller, yes. Perfect. Select the curve, Shift D to duplicate it, and move it here by pressing G. Right mouse click to confirm. In edge mode, select both our curves, press L to loft it. OK to confirm. Then select first curve, Shift J to patch it, to patch our hole. OK. Select the second curve, Shift J to patch it again. OK to confirm. Hide our curves and let's group them. Select them all and press Ctrl G. Rename the group like curves or something. Hide the group. Select our sheets and press J to join them. We got a solid right now. Press dot on the numpad to isolate our solid. In edge mode, select our back curve. Shift D to duplicate it. Press SS to scale it down. Right click to confirm. In face mode, let's extrude it like that. Perfect. Hide our curve. In edge mode, select our edges and give nice fillets. Here from both sides, yes. In solid mode, select both of our solids. Yeah, go to OK. In solid mode, press Q and Q again to unionize our solids and create one. It turned blue. OK to confirm. In edge mode, select this edge and give a fillet. Press dot to return to our project or click isolate it. Perfect. Maybe we need to move it right here a little bit. Yes. In solid, yes, adjust a little bit. Okay, in solid mode, select our joystick and extrude it solid by clicking and holding Shift. Press Q and Q again to unionize our solids and create one. It turned blue. OK to confirm. In edge mode, select this edge and give a fillet. Right click to confirm. And let's check the results from different sides. It looks awesome and exactly what we needed. Go to the front view and select the circle. Snap it right here, make it this size, move it by pressing G on the x-axis. Let's place it somewhere here. Right click to confirm, press Shift D to duplicate it, move it down by pressing G on the Z-axis and place it right here. Right click to confirm. In edge mode, select our curves and press C to cut. Click on our mesh, OK to confirm. Let's hide our circles and move them to the curves group. Perfect. Select, yes, hide our group. Okay, select both our edges, holding Shift and give nice fillets. Okay, let's see what we got. Perfect. In the front view, select our polygon tool, snap to the middle, holding Shift, scroll our mouse and get a hexagon. Right click to confirm. In the front view, select our hexagon, press Shift I to imprint it. Click on the mesh and press OK to confirm. Hide our polygon. Go to face mode and extrude it like that. Go to the edge mode, select the edges and give nice fillets, one by one. Right click to confirm. Select the inner edges and do the same. Let's see the result right now. Perfect. In solid mode, select our bolt, press dot to isolate it, go to the front view, create a line, snap it to the middle. Let's move it right here. Press C to cut and click on our mesh, OK to confirm, then delete the top part by pressing X or delete. Go to the top view, select our bolt, press Alt X to mirror it, then press F, click on the top of our bolt and drag the mouse to the right, press OK to confirm, then press Q and Q again to unionize the mesh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And press the dot to return to the project. Beautiful. Go to the front view, in solid mode, select this one and delete it. Select our top bolt, Shift D to duplicate it. Press G and move it, and holding Control, snap to the middle, right click to confirm. Awesome. And we got what we wanted. Go to the front view, let's create a button. Select a circle, snap right here, make it this size. Move it by pressing GG, place right here, resize it by pressing SS. Shift D to duplicate it, move it down, create a line. Snap it here and make sure it's tangent. Create one more line and make it tangent as well. Oops, let's redo, snap to the middle, tangent, trim unnecessary parts by pressing T, right click to confirm, OK. Go to the edge mode and select our edges, press J to join them, maybe move right here. In the front view, select our button, Shift I to imprint it, click on our mesh, OK to confirm. Hide our circle, imprint it, OK to confirm. OK, hide our circle, go to face mode and extrude it like that. In edge mode, give a nice fillet. In edge mode, select inner curve by holding Alt and clicking, Shift D to duplicate it. In face mode, extrude it like that. In edge mode, give a nice fillet. Let's see what we got. Okay. Maybe we need to make our button smaller. Go to face mode and make it smaller a little bit, adjust, and perfect. Go to the left view, select a circle and snap to the middle. Make it this size. Press G to move it down. Okay. Shift D to duplicate it and move it down to. OK. Place it right here, create a line, snap it here and make sure it's tangent. Create, one more time. Make sure it's tangent. Create one more line, snap to the middle. Tangent. Trim unnecessary parts by pressing T, right click to confirm. OK. In edge mode, select our curves, press J to join them, Shift I to imprint, click on our mesh, OK to confirm, hide our curves. Move them to our curves group. Perfect. Go to phase mode and extrude it inside. Something like that. Go to edge mode and select the edge and give a chamfer. Then select both edges and apply fillets. Awesome. Let's see what we got. Okay, now we're gonna try mirroring our mesh. Go to the right side. In the front view in solid mode, select our mesh, press Alt X and click the gizmo Union Halves. Click the gizmo Union Halves, press OK to confirm. Select our bolts by holding Shift Alt X and click the gizmo OK to confirm. Select buttons by holding Shift Alt X and click the gizmo OK to confirm. And basically we got what we needed. Let's check the result. And it's awesome. We mirrored both parts, including bolts, joysticks, and buttons. We model one side first and mirror it to the other, simplifying the process of creating and modeling. Okay, you can turn on and off edges and toggle this switcher, but I prefer using the shortcut. Press F and type toggle. Now you see viewport, toggle edges. I assign my shortcut, but you can assign anything you like and feel comfortable with. Use the switcher on a side panel or a shortcut. Okay, go to the front view, create a circle and make it this size. Move it by pressing G. Place right here, let's see. Or we can move it and maybe resize by pressing SS. Okay, move it here, maybe resize it, make it bigger, SS, okay. In the front view, select the edge mode or press 2, Shift I to imprint it. Click the mesh, OK to confirm and hide our circle. Go to face mode and extrude it inside. Okay, right click to confirm. Go to the edge mode, select the edge and give a fillet. Select our inner circle, Shift D to duplicate it. Go to face mode and extrude it. Right click to confirm. Perfect. Go to edge mode again and give a fillet. Go to face mode and resize our button. Perfect. Let's see what we got. Okay. And I love the result. Let's create one more button in the middle. Select a circle. Snap it right here. Make it this size. Move it here by pressing G. Alt X to mirror it. OK to confirm. Create a line. Snap it here and make it tangent. Create one more line and do the same. Tangent. Press T to trim unnecessary parts. Go to edge mode and select our curves. Press J to join them. Select our button. Press Shift I to imprint it. Click on the mesh. OK to confirm. Hide our circle. Move to the curves group. Perfect. Go to face mode, extrude it inside. Go to edge mode and give a fillet. Perfect. Select our inner curve by holding Alt and clicking. Shift D to duplicate it. Go to face mode and extrude it like this. Go to edge mode and give a fillet also. Let's see what we got. Perfect, and I absolutely love it. I love the result. Right now we're creating more buttons. and go to the front view, create a circle, snap it to the middle, make it this size, move it right here. Let's see on our reference images and adjust accordingly. Just move it here, move it up a little bit. Let's see our reference images. Resize it by pressing SS. Shift D to duplicate it and move it down by the Z axis. Shift D again and move it right here by pressing GG. Shift D again and move it by the X axis. Right click to confirm. Let's see, maybe we need to move one closer. Okay, let's move this one closer and this one as well. Beautiful. In edge mode, select our circles by holding Shift I, click on the mesh, and OK to confirm to imprint it. Let's hide our circles and move to the curves group to keep organized our project, right? Go to face mode and select our circles one by one. Okay, extrude them inside, right click, go to edge mode, select the edges and give nice fillets. In edge mode, select inner circles by holding Shift, okay. Shift D to duplicate them. Go to face mode, select all faces and extrude them. Let's adjust the size. Let's adjust the size. Right click to confirm, go to edge mode, select the edges and give nice fillets. Something like that. Right click to confirm. Let's see what we've got, and it looks nice. Okay, hide our circles by moving to the curves group. In solid mode, select our buttons and press Ctrl G to group them. Rename our group. Buttons. Select our bolts one by one. Ctrl G. Rename our group. Bolts. We keep our project organized. Okay. And allow the result. Perfect. Main body. Okay. Right now, in the bottom view, let's create a USB-C port. Press Ctrl 7 on the numpad, select a center circle, make it this size, and move by the X-axis. Right click to confirm, and let's scale it down by pressing SS a little bit, yes. Shift D to duplicate it, move our circle by the X-axis by pressing G. Select our first circle and duplicate it. Oh, no, let's mirror it. Select the circle, Alt-X, click the gizmo, OK to confirm. No, it's too big. Delete this one. Go to the edge mode, duplicate one more time, move it by the X-axis. Alt-X to mirror it, click the gizmo, OK to confirm. We need to create our lines. Make sure they are tangent. snap right here, snap right here, tangent. Perfect. Press T to trim unnecessary parts. OK to confirm. Select our curves, press J to join them. Select both of our circles. Shift I to imprint. Click on the mesh. OK to confirm. Let's move our circles to the curves group. Go to face mode, select our faces and extrude inside. Something like that. Right click to confirm, go to edge mode and give a chamfer here. Then select the edges and give fillets. And right here as well, give a chamfer. And fillets. Maybe inside too, but it's not necessary. Just in case. Let's see what we got. And it's awesome, guys. What we're gonna do right now, we gonna cut our main body. Go to the top view, create a line and snap to the middle. It's gonna be a guideline for us. Create one more line in the right view, snap to our top line, and let's create something like that. Okay. Here, yeah, let's create something like that. Move this line to the front. Okay, and delete the top line. Go to the right view. In control point mode, select our top point and move it up by pressing G. Perfect. Select this one in the middle and give a fillet by pressing B. Something like this. Let's move our line by the y-axis, and now we're gonna cut our body. Go to edge mode, select our line, press C, click on the mesh, OK to confirm, go to the solid mode, select this part and delete it, and we've got this nice cut. Okay, let's hide our line. Awesome. Now we're going to create back buttons. Go to edge mode, select these two edges, Shift D to duplicate them. We got our first curve. Go to the top view, Shift D again. Let's move it here by pressing G. Let's make a bigger distance. Go to the back view, press G and move it here. In edge mode, select both our curves. Go to the right view, Shift D to duplicate them, move them up and to the right by pressing G. Adjust as you like. Okay, now we need to add more lines. Create a line here, one right here, snap to the points here as well. Make sure you snapped to these points right here also. And we need several more lines here and here. And from this side as well. Okay, and at the bottom. Okay, perfect. We create some kind of cage. In edge mode, select our lines one by one. Shift J to patch it. Select our lines right here. Shift J again. OK to confirm. On this side as well, we're selecting Y button one by one, Shift J, OK to confirm. Go to this side, select 4 lines or curves one by one, Shift J, OK to confirm. On the top, we're doing the same. Shift J, OK to confirm. Let's group our lines. Select them and press Ctrl G. Rename the group buttons, back or something. Hide our group. Select all the sheets, isolate by pressing dot on the numpad. In the edge mode, select all the edges one by one. Let's try to patch it, Shift J. It's not working and we need to select all our sheets. Select all our sheets, press J to join them, and let's try again. Select all our edges one by one. Shift J, leave it G0, OK to confirm, and we got a solid from all the sheets. It means we made it the right way. Go back to the project by pressing dot, go to the right view, and let's cut our button first. Create a line and snap it here, press C, click on our button, OK to confirm, delete this small part and we don't need this line. Perfect. Maybe make this button smaller here, go to face mode and adjust the size. Perfect. Go to the right view, create a line somewhere here, press C, click on the button, OK to confirm. In solid mode, select a smaller part and delete it. Also delete the line. Perfect, that's what we needed. In solid mode, select our button, isolate it by pressing dot on the numpad. Press Ctrl 2 to select all the edges at once and give fillets. Perfect. Right click to confirm, go back to the project, and I love the result. Go to the top view, select our button in solid mode. In solid mode, select our button, Shift D to duplicate it. Move it here by pressing G. Then select our buttons, Alt X to mirror them, click the gizmo, OK to confirm, and let's see our beautiful work. It looks awesome, guys. Now we need to create one more cut from the back. Perfect. In beautiful work. Go to the edge mode. Go to the edge mode. Select edges by holding Alt and clicking. And the second part by holding Shift Alt and clicking. Shift D to duplicate it. Move it by the Y-axis right here, press S to scale it. Scale it down by the Y-axis. Type 0 here. 0. OK to confirm. Go to the back view. Press O. Make it smaller a little bit, so creating our back panel. Perfect. OK to confirm. Delete this curve. Delete this curve, and guys, it stopped recording. I just noticed and already finished the modeling, but we're almost done. I'll try to explain what we need to do. We cut this mesh to make our back panel. We added fillets. Make sure you select only back edges. Then you simply unionize the front and back parts with the QQ command. The next thing, we use a circle, duplicated it and moved up and imprinted it. Okay, then we duplicate, then we yes, we duplicate this bolt as well. Yes, we select this bolt, duplicate it, isolate it, and you simply just go to the top view and just cut it, delete the biggest part, and just simply mirror it, place it here and mirror it to the right side also. Then we need to create some kind of then we need to create the smaller part right here. Use a rectangle tool and just extrude it. It's simple, it's easy to do. And also we need to create buttons here. I hope you can do it yourself. Just create circles and extrude them here from this side and from this side. One more button from the other side, guys, and that's it. And we are done. We got this beautiful game console. As usual, you can export into Blender or Cinema 4D for texturing, lighting, animation. I got something like this, guys. You can create UI UX textures in Photoshop for screen and buttons. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe. You can also download a free PDF of shortcuts for better experience while you're modeling. The link is in the description. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.